In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite family to 1Password. So the first thing you want to do here inside 1Password, you want to click on the People tab in the top left over here. And then here you can see the list of the people you've already invited, so your family. And then you want to click on Invite People up here. And then when you click that, you'll be able to put in their email addresses. And after that, you have to select your invitation type. So if you want to add family, invite family member, you want to click on family member over here, put in their email, and then over here you can click on invite. As you can see, for me, I can only add 4 more people because there can be in total of 5 of us in here. So of course you can add 4 email addresses, select family, click invite, and then the invitation is going to go through. Then you want to go to the invitations tab over here on the left, and then you'll be able to see the pending invitation, and those expire after 5 days, and then you can basically resend an invitation at any time. So that's not really a problem. Just make sure they do accept it, and then when they do accept it, as you can see here, it's going to say new family members need to be confirmed before they can access shared vaults, and then they will send you an email if anyone is awaiting confirmation. Okay, so basically when they accept it, you'll have to confirm them, and then you'll be able to see them inside your people list over here, and this is where you can basically track what's currently happening to your invitations. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.